Hi everyone, welcome back to day 12 of my 25 days of Christmas. I literally cannot believe we are already at day 12. It is so crazy. So if you haven't been following along, I'll give you the little spiel really fast. I am posting a new project every single day leading up to Christmas. So I started the December 1st and I'm posting a new video every single day leading up to Christmas. So 25 days of Christmas, 25 days of new projects to share with you guys. Before we jump into talking about this project specifically, I wanted to just remind you or let you know that all of the items that I'm going to be talking to you about can be purchased 24/7 just by going to littlemooncreation.stampinup.net. Any purchase helps my little business and helps keep me being able to do what I love, which is sharing new projects with you. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to show you guys how to create this card today, and it's really featuring the Trimming the Town Designer Series paper. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorites. Do I have here? I have this sheet here. So like this is one of the sheets of paper and it's just so gorgeous. So I love it. But this paper is actually retiring along with our Peace and Joy stamp set. So if you are interested in getting some of these items, make sure you jump on it sooner rather than later because they're retiring, and once they're gone, they're going to be gone. So you definitely want to get in on these items. So let's jump into how we are going to make this card. Oh, that's the other thing I was going to say. So I'm going to show you how to make that one card specifically, but I actually created a little bundle of cards here, and I'll show you guys basically using the same technique. So I'll show you guys these at the very end, and then I also just did a quick little belly band with that same Designer Series paper and just a little Merry Christmas on it. So I'll show you that at the very end. Let's jump into how to make this card specifically. So I'm going to start by taking this little tiny piece here of Whisper White. I am also going to grab a scratch piece of paper, and I'll zoom in just a smidge. And I'm going to grab this little leaf image from the Peace and Joy stamp set along with my Pool Party ink. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little leaf and let me look. I think, yeah. Oh, I actually grabbed a different one from the one that I used in my sample. I don't know why I did that, but I actually used a different one. But we're going to use this one because I already have it out, so we might as well use it. So I'm actually going to stamp off. And then I'm going to stamp on the background. And it just dilutes the Pool Party a little bit. Pool Party is already a very, it's a very light color, but doing the stamp off really helps, especially with this card, because we're going to be doing that really bold sentiment on top of it. And so it really makes it pretty and it makes it stand out and it looks real nice. So we are going to stamp off first so that everything kind of pops a bit. Now you don't have to do the stamping off. You could absolutely just go full strength. But like I said, I like it and I really think it looks pretty when you do the stamping off. So that's it. Super simple. And I know it might be a little hard to see because it is so light, but I promise you in person, you can really see it. So now I'm going to take my Misty Moonlight ink. And you guys, this card is so simple, like seriously so simple. So I'm going to take Misty Moonlight and I'm going to ink this up in, I'm going to take this Joy stamp and I'm going to ink it up in Misty Moonlight. And I'm going to put, my sentiment's going to say Joy to the World. So I'm just going to do my Joy like, I don't know, like here. And then the other stamp that says To the World is going to go right underneath it. Just like that. So stinking easy. Sorry. Let me get that back in frame for you. Okie dokie. So now, like I'm telling you guys, this is so simple. And this is the exact same way that I made all of these cards. Same dimensions and everything, which the dimensions are in the coordinating blog post, which is the first link in the description box below. The only one that's a little bit different is the other one that the first one that I'm going to show you here in a second, but super easy to do. So now I'm just going to take my basic snail. Oh my gosh, did I just say snail? I didn't mean snail. I meant seal. I feel like I've been doing that a lot lately. When we first got rid of snail and came out with the seals, I feel like I didn't do that at all. And now, for whatever reason, I'm reverting back to my old brain. I don't know. Okay, so just like that, putting that on a piece of Misty Moonlight cardstock. Then I have a piece of Whisper White here, and then this is that Designer Series paper. So I'm going to put the Designer Series paper on our Whisper White. And I did this because I really wanted to showcase this designer series paper. Like I was saying, I think it's really, really pretty. And especially when you do kind of card packs like this, when I do it, at least I want something that's really, really quick and easy to put together. And these are really quick and easy to put together. And because the designer series paper is so gorgeous, the cards turn out really gorgeous. So, you know, it's really quick and easy to do, but it's also super beautiful. And I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to stick this piece down with some more seal onto, this is Old Olive cardstock. Let's go ahead and crease this bad boy so it's nice and ready to go. And then I'm going to take our Joy here and I'm going to just grab some dimensionals. And we're going to put this baby up on some dimensionals. Some of them I apparently pulled backings off of already, which is cool. Yeah, we'll go with that for right now. Okay. And then I'm going to put this just at a little bit of an angle, just because I think it adds some interest to the cards. But it's totally up to you how you want to do it. And there's our card, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, probably the simplest card ever, but so, so, so pretty. I love it. So to show you the other cards that I made. So first, these are our little acetate boxes. If you have not had these or seen these before, they are amazing. I absolutely love them. So I really like to do like 4 packs of cards. 4 cards and 4 envelopes fit in these really, really nicely. You can push it a little bit for a little bit more, but I think 4 fits really nicely. And so this is how I normally decorate them. I just take a strip of designer series paper and wrap it around, and then you can do whatever kind of sentiment or whatever you want as like a little label on the card pack. So I just used the Merry Christmas, again, from the same stamp set, using the same technique. So I used Poppy Parade and then Whisper White and the Misty Moonlight for my stamping, and it's really simple. I mean, you could put this together in probably 15 minutes if you really wanted to. So easy to do. So to show you the other cards that I made using the same technique, this is the one that I said is slightly different because I did it going landscape instead of portrait, and the sentiment is a little bit larger. So what I did is I just kind of stamped the sentiment and got my kind of image, and then I cut it and just scaled everything up as needed. So play around with that. I'll leave the dimensions in the coordinating blog post for this one as well in case you're interested. And then these are the other 2 that I did that are the exact same paper dimensions as this one, just with the different designer series paper and the different sentiment. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, so easy to do, super easy cards, and I love them. I think they are absolutely amazing. So I hope y'all love them too. I don't know how to get them all into the frame. There, that works. So I hope you guys love them too. Don't forget, catch up with me and check out the coordinating blog post or my website, which is just littlemooncreation.com, to catch up with all of the prior day's projects. Again, you can purchase all of this stuff 24/7 just by going to littlemooncreation.stampinup.net. And if you're interested in some of this stuff, I'm serious when I say jump on it sooner rather than later, because once some of the stuff is gone, it's going to be gone. So if you want it, make sure you jump on it right now and get it while you can. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow for the next one.